Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I have this cut crease pink Arabic inspired makeup look for you. The palette today I'm using is NYX Brights palette, and I'm using this top pink shade first. I'm taking this on an angled brush and just mapping out my line above the crease. Then once I've done that, I'm going to take the same shade, but I'm going to take it on a pencil brush and blend it upwards. Now taking this medium pink shade, and I'm just going to blend this above the dark pink that we just used. I'm going to now use the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking this shade Temper, and I'm going to be applying this under my brows. I'm using this as a highlighter and also to blend out the pink colour. Now taking the shade Fairy, and I'm applying this all over the lid and extending it out. And I'm just using this on a flat shader brush. Taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, I'm going to start with my eyeliner. So I'm going to go along my lash line first, and then go along the tape to create my wing, and then create another line just above the tape so it creates like a triangle shape, and then fill it in, and then just neaten up the whole line. I'm also going to create an inner corner point as well. So I'm going to extend the line downwards and then connect it to the lower lash line. I'm now just going to line my waterline with some Kohl pencil and then connect the top liner with the bottom liner. Here I'm just taking that first pink shade that we used with the pencil brush and smudging it in with the Kohl pencil. Next I'm taking the Collection Glam Crystal glitter liner, and I'm applying this on top of the fairy shade that we used on the lid. So I'm just applying this on top of it. And then to finish off the look, I'm just going to apply some lashes, then use some mascara for my top and bottom lashes. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe. I upload weekly, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!